In this video, we are going to talk about the Martingale strategy, which I don't recommend to use to anyone who just want to become profitable in trading for long term. But if you are looking for a quick income someday, okay, let's say you have someday where you just don't want to lose your money and want to make a few amount of money by investing good amount of money. In that case, you can use this strategy that I am exactly going to explain you in this video in the way that I am going to show you. Okay, not the random martingale strategy like investing every time doubling up amount. Don't do that. Okay, so firstly what you need to do is you need to make all of these currency pair favorite that have over 90% payout. Just make these start yellow in this way. Okay, just click on it randomly and all of this currency pair will appear at the above. So once you do this much, then just switch your candles to S5. Okay, that means each of these candles are forming in 5-second time frame, and your trading time frame should also be a 5 second. If it is flag at here, make it clock and click on here and select this S5, and your trading time frame is also going to be a 5 second. So now let's say for example I have $1,000 in my account, for instance. Okay, I have $1,000 in account. Now what I'll do is I'll firstly invest $100. If I lose that, if I win in this $100, then I'm going to invest the total, sorry, again I'm going to invest $100, okay, in second trade. But if I lose $100, then in next trade I'm going to make trade of $300. If I make profit, I'll start to invest $100 again. But if I make profit in this $300, whatever the amount profit I have made, that will cover my previous $100 loss and some profit. Okay, and I will again start to invest $100 from here. Let's say I lose this $300, sorry, $300, and now in next trade I'm going to make trade of $900. And if I made profit in this $900, then I'll again start to invest $100. But if I make profit in this $900, then also I'm going to make investment of $100 in each trade. It is as simple as this. In this three step only you need to make the trade. So in that way, my total amount of investment would be $1, $1, $3, and $9. Or you can also in case of 9, you can also invest $600. In that way you will be investing total of $1,000. And you need to be very careful and very accurate to become profitable. Okay, you can't expect to make $2,000 profit. Okay, if you have like $200-300 profit, then you should stop trading and enjoy that profit. And so that's why I'm telling you to use it in few days when you feel like you can use it and make some quick bucks. Okay, in that case only you use this strategy. Now I'm going to show you exactly how I will be making the investment. So I made $100, okay, investment. Now you should do nothing. Okay, wherever the market is trying to go, okay, wherever the market is trying to go, only make trade in that direction. So here you can see market was trying to fall down, that's why I made the trade, but I lose this $100. That's fine. Now I'll invest $300. So let's click on $300 and don't trade on the same chart. Okay, but if you are seeing a good trend, okay, but here you can see here you have gone wrong, so leave this chart and try to find this market is consolidating. Okay, don't make trades in this. So this was coming down. Okay, so that's why I made a trade by clicking on lower. Now let's see what happens in this trade. So we made loss in this trade also. This kind of fearful thing happened. Okay, so now you can invest $600 or $900, your choice. Okay, if you want to make good profit, this is the last trade where you can go right. So let's try to find a place where you can make the trade. So this market is trying to go up, so we'll make trade by clicking on higher at here. Now let's see what happens. So we made a profit. So we made a profit of like we invested $600 and our profit is $552. So our loss was firstly $100 and second was $300, and now we have a profit of $552. That means we are 552 loss. So now again we will start to invest $100. So we made right in this trade. Okay, now if the market is forming a trend like going up or going down, in that case you can make the trade, but I don't think this market have that potential right now. So let's see, this market is trying to go down, so we'll make trade by clicking on lower, but market again went up. So let's see what happens. We made a loss. So now let's invest $300. So this is also not a good trend. So this can be a good trend. So we can make trade by clicking on lower at here. Let's see what happens in this trade. So we made a profit at here. So here you can see we made $276 profit. That means previous $100 loss and now profit of 176, sorry, $276. That means we covered our that $100 loss and an additional $176 profit. In this way you can keep on doing, but there is chance of you losing all of your $1,000 in this type of strategy. But again, you can use it sometime. Now I want you to watch one of my very good strategy where I was able to turn my $10 to $2,500 by making all the trades right, and by doing compounding. You can use that strategy with this martingale strategy also. It's your choice, okay? But do watch that video that will appear at anywhere at here in the screen. And if you want to copy my trades automatically into your pocket option account, then do join my free Telegram channel. The link will be in the description or and the first comment of this video. And if you have any suggestion for me regarding this martingale strategy, then you can comment below. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.